Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do the exercise 1G in which we have to round off the numbers to nearest tens or 100 or 1000. So before doing this exercise we have to familiar with some rules. See here, rounding of the number to the nearest 10. When the question is asking us to rounding of the number to the nearest tens, so we have to concentrate on the digit in ones place, okay? And how to rounding of the number when the question is asking to nearest tens, we have to concentrate on of the multiples of 10. The multiples of tens are 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I have taken one example, 57. When after seeing the digit in ones place, we have to see whether this number is equal to 5 or more than 5 or less than 5. Okay, the first rule is we have to check the digit in ones place are less than 5 or equal to 5 or more than 5. If the number is less than 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, so we have to round down the number to the nearest or lesser 10. It means, see here, 57 is falls between 50 and 60. So this is lesser 10 and this is greater 10. Okay. And the next condition is if the number in ones place is equal to 5 or more than 5, we have to round off the number to the greater 10. Okay. If it is less than 5, we have to round up the number to the lesser 10. If the number is 5 or more than 5, so we have to round up the number to the greater 10. In this 57, the digit in ones place is 7. It means this is more than 5. Now the number 7 is greater number than 5. So we have to round the 57 to 60. Okay. So it is greater. 7 is greater than 5. Hence 57 is rounded off to 60. Now we will understand about the nearest 100. When the question is asking rounding of the number to the nearest 100, since it is asking us to rounding of nearest 100, so you have to check the digit in tens place. Okay. So I have taken one example, 729. In this question, you have to round the number lesser 100 or the greater 100. The number in tens place is less than 2. 2 is less than 5. Hence, we have to round up this 729 to 700. You know that 729 comes between 700 and 800. Okay. Since the question is asking nearest 100, so we have to make change in 100 place, not in other place. So I have made here 700 and 800, and this 729 has to round up to the lesser or least 100, that is 700. Okay. Because the digit in tens place is less than 5. Now see here, rounding of the number to the nearest 1000. Now the question, now the thing says we have to rounding of the number to nearest 1000. When the question is asking to nearest 1000, you have to check the digit in hundreds place. Okay. Since we have to round off the number to the nearest 1000, so this is the number 1550, which is comes between 2000. One is 1000 and next is 2000. So here I have taken both the 1000 and 2000. Okay. See the next numbers after next after 1 there is a 2. So here I have written 2000 and here it will be 1000. Now we have to check the number whether the digit in hundreds place is equal to 5, more than 5 or less than 5. So we found that the number in hundreds place is equal to 5. It means we have to round it off this 1000 to the 2000, because condition is that when the digit in hundreds place here is equal or more than, we have to go to the greater 1000. So greater 1000 is 2000. So we have to rounding off 1550 to 1000. I hope you will understand till here the rules. Then we will turn the page to know the exercise. Okay. See, round off the following number to the nearest 10. Okay, so the number is 62. So which 10 we have to take, lesser or greater? 62 comes between 60 and 70. Now we have to check the digit in ones place. Okay, since we have to rounding of the number in tens, nearest tens, so you have to check the digit in ones place. The digit in ones place is 2, which is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So we have to round off 62 to the lesser 10. Lesser 10 is 60. Hence 62 is rounded to 60. Okay. Now see the 96. In 96, check the digit in ones place again. 96 falls between 90 and 100. Okay. And 6 is greater than 6. It means we have to round this number to the 100. Okay. Since the digit in ones place is greater than 5. I have written already here. Hence 96 is rounded to 100. See here again the 31. The digit in ones place is less than 5. And 31 falls between 30 and 40. So we have to round it to the lesser 10, or we can say 30. I hope you will understand till here. I am taking this another one. The number is 738. Okay. Since we have to round it off this tens place, so no need to check in 100. Only you have to see here. No change has to be made in hundreds place. Only we have to change in tens place. Okay. So 738 comes between 730 and 740. I told already to you, we have to check only tens place, not to 100 place, because question is asking to round it off nearest 10. Okay. And we know that the digit in ones place is 8, which is greater than 5. So number will be rounded to 740. See here it is written, number is, hence 730 is rounded to 740. Okay. See here the other another example, 7556. We have to make change only in tens place. No need to see 100 and 1000 place. So this 56, when we are checking this two digit, so 56 will come in between the 50 and 60. Other two place will remain same, thousands place and 100 place. Only we have to make change in tens place. Okay. So 50 and 60. Now we have to check the digit in ones place. The digit in ones place is more than 5, or we can say 5 is less than 6. If the digit is more than 5, so we have to round the number to greater tens. Greater tens is 7560. So we have to convert this number to 7560. Okay. Now the question number 2. Round up the following number to the nearest 100. Now the question is asking nearest 100. When the question is asking to nearest 100, you have to check the number in tens place. So first number is 657, in which the tens digit is equal to 5. It means you have to round the number to 700. Okay. 657 comes between 600 and 700. In previous question, they had asked us to round off nearest 10. So we have made change in hundreds place. But in this question, it is asking 100. So we have made change in 100. 600, the next 100 is 700. From here, you came to know the next 100. Okay. So 600 and 700. So 657. And we have to take on the 5 in tens place. It is equal to 5. It means we have to round up the number to the greater 100. So it will be 700. Okay. Now see the 985. In this question also the digit in tens place is greater than 5. So, and we know that 985 comes between 900 and 1000. Okay. So we have to round up the number to nearest round it to 1000. Okay. Since 8 is greater than 5. Now see the C1. 1329, in which the digit in tens place is 2, which is less than 2, and 1329 comes between 1300 and 1400. So the question is asking to round out to 100. So we have made change in hundreds place, not in 1000 place. 1000 place will remain as usual. Only you have to make change here 300 and next 100 is 400. And we know that this 2 is less than 5, so we have to round the number to 1300. So 1329 is rounded to 1300. Okay. I hope you will understand till question number 2. Okay.